guys, welcome to Darius Tech. Today we are going to see how you can develop your or how you can increase your computer's performance or your laptop's performance. So without wasting time, let's get started. First, come into your computer properties. If you have Windows 7, just right click on your computer and then come to properties. I have Windows 10, so I will right click on this PC and I'll come to properties. Okay, in properties tab, go to your advanced settings, and in advanced settings there is a tab of performance. Go to settings and just select or deselect which programs or which things you don't want to include in your computer's animation or something else. Just read these things, and if you don't want some particular thing, then just untick from these things. And if you want to adjust your computer's performance, just click on adjust best performance, or if you want to adjust best performance, or if you want to get a best appearance, then just click on this. Actually what it do is it just eliminates the animation part, nothing else. So I'll just deselect some of the things. Okay, apply and okay, then come to startup and recovery settings. In this, the time to display list of operating system is there. If you have more than one operating system in your computer, or if you are dual booted your computer, then don't unclick on it, just decrease the time over here. Or if you have only one operating system, then just untick this and click on OK. After this, just click on OK, and everyone knows, clear your temporary files, that is temp, and %temp%. Why this is not deleting? Because the DLL file, if it is in use or if it is not located actually, then this won't delete. Just skip this part and I'll select do this operation. Okay, and after that just make your recycle bin empty, and these are the two factors. After this all, just come to your power management. In my PC, power and sleep setting is there. Actually I don't want to be in power and sleep setting. Okay, edit power plans. So if you want to adjust your power plan for best performance, then change advanced power settings. Balance currently active, but I want to create a new power plan that should give me the best performance. So I'll go power options and I'll select create a power plan. Over here I'll give high performance. If you want a power saver plan, then you can select power saver plan, but I want a high performance, that's why I'm selecting high performance plan. And I'll just say next and decrease the time over here. Actually what it does is it actually saves your battery, or it actually saves your energy consumption. Just create. Okay, so right now it is on my custom plan 1. these things have done. After that, if you have NVIDIA A graphics card, then come into NVIDIA A control panel, and over here adjust image setting with preview, and by default it is always on use advanced 3D, or it is always on the 3D application dedicated. So come into my preference emphasizing, and if it is unbalanced, then come to performance, and if you want a quality in your appearance, then just go to quality tab, so you can see how it prevails. So I'll come to performance, and I'll just apply these settings. Without applying, if you directly click on the cancel, then it won't apply. And then the last part is come to graphics properties. Wait a while and come to power. Then over here a maximum performance should be selected. If actually it is always by default on balance mode, so you have to select a maximum performance mode and then click apply, and yes, then click close. Press alt control and delete. Come into your task management and go to startup tab. Over here you can see some services which if you start up your computer, then these services will boot up first, or these services will launch first. So disable services which you are not using after starting up your computer. Don't disable any of the other, that means Microsoft service or any of the other HD audio background, that means Realtek services, or don't disable any type of driver services. Just enable your default Microsoft services, and then go to CPU, where you can see graph of how much is your CPU consumption is happening actually, and how much is your memory using by your computer actually, and how much disk is using. So if the computer's CPU usage is more, then go to process tab and see which uh, application uses your CPU more, and try to shift that. I means try to shift your application, or try to change your application. That is what you can do to boost up your performance. Always monitor this CPU after installing any type of other services, or after installing any type of other application. After that, just open your start menu and type defer mag and open it. Actually what it do is it optimize your disk drive, and it helps your disk drive to run your computer efficiently, or run your disk efficiently. So I recommend you to do this while you are going to bed, because it take most of your times. So that is up guys, thank you for watching my video. Please share your valuable comments, do like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. After that, just open your start menu and type defer mag and open it. Actually what it do is it optimize your disk drive, and it helps your disk drive to run your computer efficiently, or run your disk efficiently. So I recommend you to do this while you are going to bed, because it take most of your time. That's why when you are going to bed, I recommend this to use in that. So I'll just close it.